falls a victim. Oh, who went stab? Bleeds black sand in a brown paper bags and lying down. Oh, on my head, trying to recall what Hamlet said. And bus wheels, oh, through puddles. Rain so thick that the puddle blows bubbles. The forecast, it looks the same. Day to day, nothing a camel gun names. Contours around your face, old as oceans, as black as space and planets. They form your eyes, and the ring around Saturn fills your skies away. Fall away, walk into the distance. Fall away, fall away. Out of Eden when they don't. Fall away, walk into the distance. Fall away, out of Eden, Eden when they don't. It's been proven over and over. The man can't count, but we're getting closer. Take the pillows from my head, the whistle from my car, the shit from my bed. And Ben said that I want to go be a chef in the city, and his mother said no, and always. Oh, since then, it's been a gay man through a straight man's lens. Lifting arms of Mel, taking scraps up from the table, dreaming at night of all he could have been as he counts on one hand of the little he's seen. About 50 years, and starting again, Wednesday morning, 3 a.m. Counting out the last of his years when Ben broke down into many tears. Poor Benjamin, he's done it again. Poor Benjamin, he's done it again. Poor Benjamin, he's done it again. He says it's nothing, welling him up again. Benjamin, he's done it again. He says it's nothing, running him up again. But Benjamin, he's done it again. He says it's nothing, running him up again. But Benjamin, he's done it again.